Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice Suryakanth ji. They have restricted time on all of us, so I may not refer all names here. Honorable Justice Supreme Court, Honorable Chief Justice, Andhra Pradesh High Court, dignitaries and dayas and friends. And also here, distinguished jurists, mediators, members of the board, delegates and friends. This is a historical occasion. In my political career, I have seen so many times, but today is a historical event in the history of Andhra Pradesh. Honorable Chief Justice has spent one full day in Amaravati and Tirupati. We explained to him about Amaravati. We are all here. I am very happy on the dais. Honorable Chief Justice and also all judges are associated with our High Court. Two Chief Justice from Andhra Pradesh High Court are here. As a matter of fact, Amaravati is a people's capital. In the Indian mythology, Amaravati is the angel's capital, and also living God, Lord Venkateswara Swami, is also here. They had a very good darshan. Today they have spent all day in Amaravati. I am assuring Honorable Chief Justice and also all Honorable Justice, even son of the soil, Narasimhangaru is here, and also Justice Bhattigaru. He worked in our High Court also, first High Court, and also today he shown his court hall also to us, where he served, and also Justice Bagchi is also worked here. Fortunately, that is where I told you historical day for Andhra Pradesh history. I am very happy, I am fortunate.